fi end up in a red grass. No Taliban's like them near reassure guns. Make you not sleep at your yard in a four.
Good morning, y'all. Today is Thursday the 22nd. I thank y'all, and I wanted to show y'all little flowers I got from Walmart. They have these little $4 bouquets. Since I didn't get me any flowers from the meat store, I just picked me up a little something. I just like to have flowers in my room, y'all. They look like they're starting to bloom, but I got these with all the little different colors. And I think they're $4.97. So I think that's good to have your little flowers. Good morning, y'all. Like I said earlier, today is Tuesday, the 22nd, and it is 9:11 a.m. Y'all probably can't see that. But I've been up since 7. I cleaned the bathroom. I still have to mop. Y'all know it wouldn't be a vlog if a debacle wasn't going on with my eyelashes. So half my eyelashes gone. What's new? I'm gonna get them fixed today probably. And now I'm really just chilling. I think I want to dust down everything, and then I'll just chill for the rest of the day and probably cook me some dinner later. I'm off. I go back to work on Saturday, so I'm trying to make the best of these days with cleaning and get my washing done and stuff like that. I just wanted to check in and tell y'all thank y'all for clicking on my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all already haven't. I want to tell you guys thank you for sticking with me. Y'all, I've been monetized ever since last year, and my monetization box is still not full and still have not picked a winner, and it needs to be sent. So my priority for coming up is going to be give y'all a body update, because I have not did that, because I think I done packed down the bathing suit, me not thinking, and get that monetization gift sent out to whoever's gonna be the winner. So that's what I need to do. So yeah, I'll check back in with y'all probably when I'm making my chili. Alright, y'all, so I decided to come and get up and go to the nail shop. I'm about to get me a pedicure, my eyebrows arched, and my eyelashes done. So I will check in with y'all when I'm finished. Might as well treat myself, and I need this stuff done anyway. I went on ahead and took off my lashes and cut my face real good. So let this pedicure pop in because my feet need it. Alright, y'all, I have made it back to the house, and I am starting to make my chili. I'm about to start to make my cornbread right here and butter my pan. Got all my stuff together. I gotta open up these cans, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make my chili. Alright, y'all, I want to show y'all right quick. The hair store is right by the nail shop. I probably showed y'all. I know everybody do white on their toes, but I like my toes to be nude. I feel like that looks way more better than white, me personally. I had to get some gel. This gel is too soft and it leaves like a white cast around my braids, and I'm sick of it. I had to wash the front of my braids this morning. That's why my edges are not like slicked down. So I'm gonna just put this up and use this for something else or give it away or something, because I can't stand that white stuff. The little white cast it leaves. So I got this black gel. Y'all know I love anything sparkly, butterfly, dangly. So I seen that they had this D, because y'all know my name is Delilah. So, and I love butterflies. So I saw they had this D with the butterfly. I'm gonna add that to my keychain. And then I just got some more fashion earrings for $5.99. I just like to wear gold hoops to work. I do have some other like blue and gold earrings, but the other ones, they were 99cents and they turn so darn fast. So I just spent a little frumo, couple of dollars to have me a good pair to just throw on in the morning for work. So that's all I have got. I'm waiting. My chili is done. It's good. It's spicy. How I like it. I'm waiting on my cornbread to get done. I think I put a little too much milk, so it's taking like a little longer to get done. But we're gonna see if it don't come out right. I'm gonna just throw it away and make me some more probably. But yeah, that's all I picked up, and I am chilling. And I will check back in with y'all later, and I'll show y'all if the cornbread is terrible. Hey y'all, it's later on in the day. I just got up from a nap, but I wanted to show y'all a product that I have been using. So I know y'all probably been seeing this on Instagram and Facebook and all that. So this is for this one right here is for vaginal probiotic, V Positive Probiotic brand, 60 vegan capsules. So this is for vaginal health, and I kept on seeing this everywhere. So I tried it, finished it, liked it. So they were selling bundles. I don't know how long they're selling the bundles for, and it says adding flavor to women's health. And I talked to y'all about this before, just like stepping up my health care and stuff like that. Since I'm getting older, certain things don't work for me no more, like certain washes and stuff like that. Helping prevent bacterial buildup in the uterus, supporting natural urinary functions, no GMO, vegan, gluten-free, antibiotic-free. So, in this bundle, for $75, I got vaginal odor, vaginal pH, vaginal balance, vaginal flora, supports healthy vaginal. And this is a vaginal probiotic. So that's the first one that I got. The next one that comes in the bundle is urinary tract cranberry, vitamin C. And that's what this red one is. And this other one is PMS, cranberry, vitamin B6, lemon blossom. So this is this one. They do have other bundles, but this is just the one that I wanted to try. I won't take this PMS one, of course, until I'm having my cycle. This is to stop the bloating and the weight gain and whatever else goes on with you. But I just wanted to try this, and I'll put the name of the company again up on the screen. But yeah, I really like this. I don't want to go all in it. I really like it. So I ordered the bundle to see how that do. I'm about to take the urinary tract vitamin capsules, and I'm about to take the vaginal probiotic capsules. Yep. Now I'll let y'all know how I like these, but I just want to tell y'all about the company. I know y'all done seen it all up and down y'all timeline, and it really does work. So yeah, that's all I want to tell y'all, and I'll probably check back in with y'all tomorrow. Oh, y'all, my cornbread came out busting. I'm so happy nothing was wrong with it. It's sweet. It's not too squishy. It came out just right. I'm glad I didn't give up on it and snatch it out of the oven. I just had to, since I made like a bigger pan, I had to let it stay in there long enough so the middle can get all the way done, but it's very good. Hey y'all, I'm just checking in. It is Monday. I got this cup like a day or two ago, y'all. I've been waiting on this cup for some weeks. This cup was made by the same lady that made my phone case, and also made my Barbie watch band. This cup has my name on it, LV Custom Bling. And she also gave me a little extra heart thingy with some candy to go on the top of my straw, and this just slides right off. show y'all the inside of the cup. It's very big. And I love it, y'all. Let me see if I can get it down. Yeah. This is my cup. I will put her down in the description box, but y'all, she takes a long time with making your stuff. She really does take a long time. If it's gonna be 4 weeks, it's gonna be 4 weeks, y'all. Don't look for it no time sooner. Did she spell my name right? Yeah. So that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching another boring work week vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.